Okay, welcome. Quickly going to show you an app. It's going to be a 1-minute quick introduction to the app. It's called Social Ending. Basically it uploads to a Blatao and publishes it from your desktop. So first thing you need to do if you get this app is go into settings, put a Blatao API key in. You need a Gemini API key and a file API key. Why do you need this, you say? Well, you can create images, so you can put an image prompt in there, whatever size you want, for square for Instagram, portrait for TikTok, landscape for Twitter and YouTube, and you can just generate an image. You can even generate a video should you want to. Upload your image, so you've got start frame, end frame, and it'll make a whatever video you want. I think it goes, yeah, it's just 5 or 10 seconds, but that will keep maintain a character should you want to do that. So, and then it just uploads. So I'll quickly go through and upload. So we click here, we go into pictures. What we got here, we'll just get a picture. We'll just do a, and then it will generate now using the Gemini key. It will analyze it. Once it's analysed, it gives you a fresh fit, tells you what it is. If you want to edit it, you can edit it, shorten it. You can put hyper stuff in it, you can put emojis in it, put a link in it should you want to. And it'll say continue to publishing. And it's got your tags here, you can put your own tags in should you want. And it'll be linked to whatever you've got on your Blatao. All I will say is Facebook doesn't work because it's on Facebook you'll have different pages to go to. This is just direct to Facebook, so I'll come back with an error. But all the other ones do work. I'm looking into fixing Facebook, but as I don't use it a lot, I don't really care. But there you go. And then we'll put it on. Let's go to, we've got threads and Instagram, so yeah. I'll just put it on Twitter. Just put it on Twitter. You can review your captions. Let's review it, see what it does. Go back again. Analyze complete. Blast off. Upload it goes. And you just start again. And the last part is, it's got a history of what you've uploaded. So you've uploaded whatever you want to Twitter, whatever. So just keep a track on it. When you're happy you've done everything you want, don't want to keep a track on it, just hit clear and it will clear your history like so. Very simple, very basic, but very useful I think. So that's a short little video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.